we have another one, which is replace values, which is very much useful in order to replace some things, right? Let's say you wanted to replace, let us take some example. Okay. So here in the same customer alternate key, maybe I wanted to replace this AW000 to something else. Okay. AW000. Let us click on this column and click on this replace values. And I need to mention what do you wanted to find. So maybe I wanted to find this triple zeros. Okay. Triple zeros. Or maybe I wanted to include AW000 and I wanted to replace it with AW hyphen. Click on OK. Simply it will replace. It's a very simple, straightforward replace of operation. Okay.